So punta naman tayo sa ating model unit, which is located at the 7th floor. So sinasabi ko na to guys para at least alam nyo na rin kung saan tayo pupuntang floor. Let's go! Hello guys, it's me again, Michael Bernal of Page Property by DMCI Homes. So we're here at the Fairlane Residences. So I will show you one of the 2-bedroom standard unit of Fairlane Residences. So guys, papasok muna tayo, then I will show you around kung ano ba yung itsura niya talaga as third over. So ito guys, makikita natin dito, this is what we call the bare unit. So we have it, the floor tile, the walls painted, and yung ating mga lighting, this is just a replacement light kasi syempre kayo nang bahalang magpapadesign yan. And on this side guys, our kitchen. So we have the bar counter, which is naka-granite countertop finish na rin siya. And also dito sa side ng sink na to. So ang mga ating cabinets, naka-soft close system na siya. So both cabinets yan sa baba and sa taas. And we have the provision for the exhaust or the range hood natin. So malamang dito natin ilalagay ang ating range hood. Saan ba ilalagay na natin ref? So dito guys, dito natin ilalagay yung ref. Yan. And dito naman guys, this is the ideal dining set kung saan natin ilalagay. And on this side, nandito ang ating entertainment system or yung ating sala set. So depende kung ano yung magiging requirement mo kung saan ilalagay yung TV. And on this side naman, nandito ang ating bathroom. So makikita naman natin dito yung finish niya, napakapulido. Yan, granite countertop finish na rin siya. So may kasama ng lavatory. And also may mga bar para sa mga soap and shampoos natin. And ito guys, kasama na siya. Yung shower, rain shower natin na head and also yung mga ating gripo natin. And ito, yung sa mga sinasabi ko nga sa mga past videos ko, yung mga bagong projects ngayon ng DMCI Homes, meron na siyang washing machine area. Or depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo gawin dyan, pwede maging storage room din. So floor to ceiling siya, so napakataas niya. And papakita ko sa inyo yung bedroom 2. So yung bedroom 2 natin, ang provision ng aircon natin dito is a window type. So napaka-spacious ng bedroom guys. So the total size of the unit is 54 square meters and the balcony area is 8 square meters. So nagto-total siya ng 62 square meters. So ito guys yung ating master's bedroom. Yan. So nandito ang ating master's bed. Nandito ang ating balcony. Yan. Cabinets or tables na pwede natin ilagay dyan. So tara, labas tayo sa balcony. So ito guys, napaka-spacious ng ating balcony. Yan. So itong unit na to is facing amenity. So nakita niyo yung mga swimming pool, yan. Napaka ganda sa mata, di ba? Yung blue and green na nakikita natin paggising natin at before we sleep, yan. So nakaka-relax siya. So guys, pwede tayo mag-put ng ating mga coffee table here, chairs. So perfect siya sa ating unit, sa ating home improvements. So tara guys, eto guys yung unit na to, we still have this kind of unit. So if you have questions or information that you want to know or reservation, just feel free to call me. So nandito ang aking contact details, Mike Page Property by DMCI Homes. So yung YouTube channel ko, ang aking number nandito. So huwag kayong mahiya, asking is free, quotation is free, walang commitment. So para lang at least magkaroon din kayo ng idea. And guys, ayokong mamimiss out na ito yung ganitong klaseng opportunity. So maraming salamat guys that pinapanood yung aking mga videos. Please like and share and subscribe yung aking YouTube channel. So maraming salamat guys. Have a great day ahead and God bless. Ciao!